How many of you guys left? Door? Scurry, please. What? I don't understand why that is there, but it piques my curiosity. Dear God.